Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Echo Talk Studio. I'm Layla.
And I'm Majnoo. We're so happy you're here today
If you want to improve your English speaking skills,
and learn how to talk confidently about your dreams.
then you're in the right place. Today's topic is very exciting, very interesting, and very useful for daily English conversation.
Yes, today we're going to learn.
How to talk about your dream destination in English. Layla, let me ask you something.
Go ahead, Layla.
What is a dream destination?
A dream destination is a place you really want to visit one day. It can be a country, a city, a beach, a mountain, or even a small village.
Exactly. It's a place you imagine, think about, and feel excited about.
For example, Paris, Mecca, London, Switzerland, Japan, Turkey, Maldives.
And when someone asks you in English, what is your dream destination? You should be able to answer confidently. Let's start with very easy English sentences.
Perfect for beginners.
Simple sentence structures. My dream destination is, I want to visit, I have always wanted to go to. My dream destination is Turkey. I want to visit Mecca. I have always wanted to go to Switzerland.
Repeat after us, everyone.
Very good. Simple sentences are the first step to fluent English.
Now, let's make your answer more interesting.
Yes, don't just say the place, say why you want to go there. Useful words: because, due to, since.
My dream destination is Japan because I love its culture. I want to visit Mecca because it is a holy place. I want to go to Paris because it is very romantic.
Adding reasons makes your English sound natural and confident. Now let's talk about describing your dream destination.
Describing words are called adjectives.
Common adjectives: beautiful, peaceful, modern, historical, natural, crowded, relaxing. Switzerland is beautiful and peaceful. Dubai is modern and luxurious. Turkey is historical and cultural.
Try to use two adjectives in one sentence. It makes your English stronger.
Now let's talk about what you want to do there.
Activities make your answer exciting.
Useful verbs: explore, visit, see, enjoy, try, experience. I want to explore the old cities. I want to visit famous landmarks. I want to try local food. I want to experience the culture.
This is how native speakers talk about travel.
Let's combine everything into one complete answer.
My dream destination is Turkey because it has a rich history and beautiful culture. I want to visit Istanbul, explore historical places, and try traditional Turkish food.
Wow, that sounds fluent and natural.
Now, let's go one level higher.
Advanced speakers talk about feelings and emotions. Useful phrases: I feel excited about, I'm fascinated by, I'm deeply interested in, it has always inspired me.
I am fascinated by Japan's traditions and modern lifestyle. It has always inspired me to visit.
This makes your English sound very impressive. Layla, what is your dream destination?
Honestly, my dream destination is Mecca
That's beautiful. Why?
because it is a peaceful and spiritual place. I want to perform Umrah and feel close to Allah.
That's a very meaningful dream.
What about you, Layla?
My dream destination is Switzerland.
Ah, mountains and chocolate.
Exactly. I love nature, snowy mountains, and peaceful views. Let's practice questions.
Repeat these questions. What is your dream destination? Why do you want to visit it? What do you want to do there?
My dream destination is Malaysia. I want to visit it because it is beautiful and affordable. I want to explore islands and enjoy local food.
Let's talk about common mistakes.
I am go to Turkey. I want to go to Turkey. My dream place is very beauty. My dream place is very beautiful.
Correct grammar builds confidence.
Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and say this. My dream destination is blank because blank. I want to blank and blank.
Practice every day and your English will improve fast. Learning English is a journey.
Just like traveling to your dream destination.
Step by step, you will get there.
That's all for today's lesson.
If you enjoyed this video,
Like, share, and subscribe to.
Echo Talk Studio.
Comment below and tell us.
What is your dream destination?
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.